It is now 10:20. This is coming, we're at Churchgate stop, which is the very southernmost stop on the metro. And I guess this is just like a piece of how fast, here, I'll just hold it here and see what happens. I would have loved to have been able to have filmed while I was actually on the train to give you an idea. The women and the men are separated, women at the front, which actually is quite comforting because, you know, when you're being knocked around in the cart, it's just with other women, so somehow it's okay. So right now I'm on my way to find a place called Tea Stop, Melon's recommendation, with also the recommendation to do something that hits some air conditioning, do something hits some air conditioning for your first day to make sure that you don't get too overwhelmed. My feet are swollen, about the size of, I don't even know what, but they're huge. So getting off them will be great. Anyway, I bid you adieu. We're in Mumbai. People are everywhere. It's overflowing. First 24-hour reaction. Friendly people. Interesting city. Great food. See you later. Bye.